Hello students, now we are going to revise the topic that is a poem The Lame Boy's Lament. This poem is written by Robert Browning. So Robert Browning was very famous in a literature. He wrote 12 books of poetry and he dedicated his life to poetry. Now let's see about poem. You can see the background about the poem is given over here. So let's see first stanza of the poem. First I will read out the stanza and then I will explain it in detail. It's dull in our town since my playmates left. I can't forget that I am bereft of all the pleasant sights they see, which the piper also promised me. For he led us, he said, to a joyous land. These all lines are said by that lame boy. Now, what is his lament? Let's see. According to these lines, that lame boy is saying that the child found it dull to live in the town since everyone had left with the Pied Piper. He was extremely sad and unhappy since he wouldn't be able to see the happy sights the Piper had promised. Now next stanza. Joining the town and just at hand, where water gushed and fruit trees grew, and flowers put forth a fairer hue, and everything was strange and new. The sparrows were brighter than peacock here. It means the Pied Piper man took them to a land where food was in plenty. The flowers there made the place look colorful. The place, although strange, had newness in it. The tiny sparrow was much brighter than the peacock in the new place that Piper led them. The boy was upset that he was missing out on all of those things described by the piper. Now let's see next stanza. And their dogs outran our fallow deer, and honeybees had lost their stings, and horses were born with eagle wings, and just as I became assured, my lame foot would be speedily cured. According to these lines, that boy is saying the dogs in that new place were quicker than the deer. Honeybees did not sting. Horses had eagle wings on their backs when they were born. It means horses have wings, honeybees lost their stings, and dogs are faster than the deer. And the things he heard assured him that his lame foot would be cured speedily. Then the next stanza, the music stopped and I stood still and found myself outside the hill, left alone against my will to go now limping as before and never hear of that country more. It means, but suddenly the music stopped and the boy remained standing still. He found himself standing outside the hill that the children had gone into. He was left out as he wasn't able to move quickly. He felt left out against his wishes. He now knew he wouldn't hear of the country that the Pied Piper was talking about at all or enjoy all the pleasures of the land. So Through this poem, we get to know that lame boy's lament is that he is alone in, in the same place, but his all playmates gone with that Pied Piper in that dreamy land. Okay, so students, hope you all solve exercise and revise the topic once again. Thank you.